How are you, ladies? Oh, a big gun. I've been working out. Can you tell? Look at that thing. Isn't that so exciting? I'm not even like really flexing. Flexing is like doing something else, but just holding my arm up. I'm gonna close the sunroof. I'm in my mom's car. I'm here in Texas until Tuesday. I got here a couple days ago. I came because one of my clients got an offer accepted. They decided it's not the home for them. So in true pivot fashion, I'm staying sober. Some of you guys follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Facebook. Today is a little over 5 weeks that I have not had a drop of alcohol. So, you know, I share with you guys completely transparent what my shit is up to, my life, right? So Hayden, my 17-year-old, he has gone into inpatient, and I'm take off my glasses, you guys, because I think it's important to know. I got shit in my teeth. I'm not sad. I'm at peace. I know it's the right thing for him. Day over day, week over week, it continues to be solidified that it's the right thing for him, and he agrees. But what I'm going to say, a couple random thoughts in true fashion, and yes, I'll do my planner rollout for the week ahead. I'll do it tomorrow. I have very much been using my planner on the go, even here in Texas. Week over week, it's interesting because week over week, I'm starting to like find my true groove. So I am like using it very, very often. I have not popped it open today, but it was open yesterday and all the days before. But keto. So you guys have seen that I am on my keto journey. Some of you guys on some of the videos ask me just different questions about it overall. So I am going into week 13 of being on keto. Last 5 weeks, I haven't had any alcohol. Before that, I very much was having alcohol. Y'all, I'm not a slush. I don't like get shit-faced every day. But from time to time, having a cocktail, or if I'm stressed out or whatever, I'd have a White Claw, I'd have a glass of wine, a Bloody Mary, whatever. I'm drinking Virgin Marys now when I have a craving. Has a lot of carbs, so I have to be balanced about that. I drink sugar-free Red Bull from time to time, and I'm drinking a shit ton of water, and which is good for me because I suck at that. Usually coffee is how I define drinking my water, or iced tea, because it is made with water, right? Let's be real. Still not giving up my damn coffee. So I'm here at Starbucks. I wanted to share with you guys, I'm still doing my keto coffee. I do not do, so when I'm trying to go full ketosis, because some weekends I carb load, and because I've been seeing my family on the weekends when I come to Texas, and just, I don't know, carb loading, because I meet up with friends or clients or whatever. So my keto coffee is a Trenta iced coffee, no classic, extra ice, heavy cream on the side. They give me a little cup. That way I can pour it to my liking. When you're trying to get into ketosis and you haven't been there, ease up, ladies, on the heavy cream, because you think, oh, all of a sudden I can have all that shit. Hell no, it's going to give you some extra pounds. So just be light on it. And as you continue, you know, getting to that ketosis, certainly you can start milking it up. So I've got mine kind of mild, not too heavy. And I don't like mine very heavy anyways, but I have them sprinkle cinnamon powder. What I give up while I'm trying to go into my full ketosis mode is I get rid of the sugar-free syrup. So I do not. The sugar-free syrup technically is sugar-free, but the ingredients in it still have a little bit of what your body gets tricked into thinking it's sugar. And so it makes you crave sugar. My advice, you guys, if you're going to do this, and you can see, I mean, go look at my videos. I look at them from time to time now. I really am thinning out. I'm not doing keto to lose weight. I'm doing keto because of my arthritis, and when I'm carrying all that extra weight, I feel it in my ankles, my hands. I literally wake up and look like Mr. Clump, like my fingers are swollen, they hurt so bad. So I'm really doing it for health, and then just like mental sanity. I think right now I'm trying to, you know, just continue staying strong mentally, and my diet, my working out is what's doing it for me. And I fake tan. Yes, I've been going to the tanning bed because I go to Planet Fitness. It's my self-care. I know I'm frying my organs. I'm not having a baby. I don't have a gallbladder. I don't have an ovary. I now don't have a uterus or a cervix. So I'm okay with it. Okay? Now, going back to the keto stuff. So, you know, eating healthy, I was thinking about it right now. That's why I started the video. So eating healthy when you're on keto or any type of diet, what I'm finding at home, it's not necessarily more expensive because I'm not going organic. I'm just going healthier food options, keto friendly, or just better nutrition options for the kids and for Patrick. But keto, in my opinion, can be more expensive outside on the go when you're traveling. Wendy's and In-N-Out burger. In-N-Out's called protein style burger. You don't get the onions, you don't get the tomatoes. That'll keep your carb load down. No animal sauce, you guys. But you get the melty cheese and you get all that stuff. So it's still delicious, but it's a protein style. So it's a lettuce wrap around the burger. Jimmy John's has something called an unwich. You need to look online because some of the carbs can get a little heavy, but if you go with a turkey unwich, it's basically the sandwich with the lettuce wrap. So that's decently priced. You can go to Wendy's. Wendy's has keto style, takes the bun away, but they serve it in this little plastic container and you can have all the goodies. Just again, remember my opinion, don't eat the onions and don't tomato because those have carbs and I don't think they're necessarily worth it. I'd rather get my carbs somewhere else. The one place that is more expensive, Starbucks. So I get my go-to because when you do the In-N-Out burger and when you do Wendy's, you still have to be careful. It doesn't mean you can eat that every meal and, oh, that's going to be fine. No, like it will still add up because there's still some ingredients that are not the best for you. So this one is like the closest thing I have found to keto friendly on the go when I'm traveling or when I'm on the go showing a bunch of properties and I just am not really able to sit down and eat a meal or pre-make my meal, because now that I'm keto, I definitely do a lot of my little containers filled with food that I make. I make it kind of in a bulk batch, like casserole, like the cauliflower casserole or chicken or meats or whatever. And then I have them in the containers and I put it in the microwave and I take it to go, I eat in the car. But this one, I got this. I get the guacamole cup. If you like guacamole, if you don't, that's fine. But this guacamole, you guys, is so freaking delicious. I've tried to figure out who made it so that I could buy it separate. So what I do is sometimes I go through this phase where I'll buy 2 or 3 for the actual house. But I asked for this. This has all the omega acids. It's got those fats that you need for keto. I just wrap up the salami, the cheese, and then eat it. So that is just my keto trick. I'd love to know, you ladies that are watching, because we have now, I think we're almost 400 maybe? Shit if I know. I think we're growing in population, you guys. And if you have friends that are neurotic like us and batshit crazy and willing to talk about shit, or not willing to talk about shit, but they appreciate somebody that is, invite them to the channel. I'd love to meet them. And just make sure to comment that you did invite them, and I will do a shout out to you and I will do a shout out to them. How about that? But anyways, with that said, just wanted to share that I will do my planner stuff tomorrow for you guys. I am still very much loving the Moterm personal size as my wallet. So this is very much still working. It is in my purse right now as we speak. And I did order from Moterm the standard version of a Moterm A6. No, A7. It's an A7 because it's bigger than my A6 cover. So A7. I'm intrigued. I bought it confidently, and you know why I did? Because I will give you guys an honest review. I'll review it myself to see if I even like it, because, okay. But bottom line is I can sell it and still make what I made. So I was like, you know what? I think we're kind of growing enough audience where I'll buy it. If I don't like it, I can still sell it and make literally the money that I paid for it. But that way it gives us all a shot to see. If you haven't kind of grasped, or you don't want the Franklin Covey Classic Tyler, or you didn't like the Happy Planner stuff, or maybe not the Chic Sparrow, or not the Hand Stitch Leather Tee, so like the stuff that we've been trying out, then maybe that one will be good for you. So I'm doing that. That's what I got for you. I am literally in Dallas, Texas. The favorite place, I posted this on my social media too. So right off Northwest Highway and Shady Brook, there is a Half Price Books. I don't even know how long it's been here. It has been here with me growing up out here. Okay, that's how long. That place I love. I'm about to go in there. I don't have to be at my dad's until 6 for dinner. It's $3.19. I will use every last minute to be there until the last 12 minutes that I need to drive from Half Price to my dad's house, simply because when you walk in, the store smells like books. There's books galore. It's huge, you guys. It's not the standard Half Price Books if y'all have them in your state. No, like this is the mega. I love it. It's old school. It's an old building. Even outside it looks old, and it's my favorite place. I love it. So I'm gonna go hop on, jump in a little corner like I do. I get on the floor, I read books, I pick some out, I get a couple for the boys, and that's what I'm going to do with my Saturday now that I don't have a home inspection because my client canceled on their damn house, right? But nobody panic. We still have to go look at houses, whether it's tomorrow or Monday. So we still, hopefully we'll find another house here within the next 4 weeks or so. But yeah, that's what I got for you. And I love you. I see you if you guys want me to talk about anything. You know the rules: marriage, divorce, kids, life, Hayden being an inpatient, I don't know, anything at all. Michael, my ex-husband, we get along very well now. Okay, you guys, he's got cancer, stage 4 cancer. My stepdad passed away when I was 9 of cancer. Like literally any topic at all that you guys want to talk about, you would like my opinion about, my thoughts about, because certainly I don't like those, let me know. But I love you. I see you. Thank you for following me. Thank you for liking my channel. Thank you for just being a badass community that you are. It's incredible to know you guys, even though we have never really met in person. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.